Hi, it's day 4. Here we are with the closet. It sounds like you've been having a great week so far. I just love the comments and how you're finding cool things in your drawers and how things are starting to flow. And it's surprising how fast this energy can move forwards. 27 days, 27 things. And guess what? It may take 27 minutes. Some of you are taking a little bit longer than 10 minutes, but let's continue with the rolling here. Today we're looking at the closet, things to hang now instead of folding. So you have a choice. Sometimes people have lots of drawers so they can fold things. Other people, not so much. They prefer to hang things. So there's no hard or fast rules, whatever works for you. So in my case, this is a 1982 house. We've been here 2 years. We're still renovating some of the places. And at some point, this closet's going to get an overhaul. But for now, it's got a bar and it's got a shelf. So let's work with it, okay? So first of all, some people have summer clothes and winter clothes. And some people decide to rotate them through the house. And that's fine. I've been doing some pairing over the years. Twice a year, I pair the clothes. My drawers and my clothes. Sometimes I get tired of them. Sometimes they don't fit. Sometimes I just feel like wearing stuff looser. And what I'm finding this year, and probably you too, is I'm not getting dressed up to go to work. I'm not getting dressed up to go out on date night or a restaurant. And I'm not wearing half of these clothes anymore. And so do I toss them? Do I not toss them? Maybe I should just pare them down. You notice I haven't mentioned the word clutter once yet. Clutter has some negative vibes to it here. We're just pairing and sorting in this exercise. So bear in mind, you got to bless the mess. You know why? Because you brought everything in yourself. So bless the mess. Hello, shirt. Hello, pants. These are bought. They're in my house. So don't discard them right away. Just pare down and keep the things that you love, the things that you fit, the things that make you feel good. So just get in there and go with the mindset of pairing. Now, you'll notice some people have slider doors. I don't like these bifolds. They take up less room this way, but I can't get into the closet very well at all. And here's a little thing I got. I got a dollar store. It fits over the top. And I can use this here or here on the other side. I'll put that up as more of a valet. Can you see that? And then I can hang things if I want to sort out. Let's see. Here's an outfit. Here's the top. Here's the pants. Where my pants go? Here. So okay, I can plan my outfit here to come in after my shower, or if we're going out for dinner, or visiting my friends, or I can decide what I want to wear on the video today. So I can put that all together. So I use those a lot, but I wouldn't suggest that you start hanging stuff off of both things to extend your closets. I would suggest a pairing motion. So what I've got over here, there's cool hangers. Some people like to, I don't have even my egg hangers all sorted out because I'm waiting for my closet reno. But you can get some of these felt ones. That'll keep your blouses from slipping off, or the tank tops and things with smaller shoulders. They're not sliding off as well. I like this type for pants, so your pants don't slide either way. So investing in these little velvet things, like, can you see that okay? Some of them are black, some of them are blue. I buy all kinds of different things. There's one here with a beigey design on it as well. So I was trying to figure out how to color coordinate, but it hasn't worked out yet. So here's a spare hanger. So on this side, I have some of my summer things, my short sleeve tops or no sleeve tops, my capris, little jackets, going into pants. Everything layers itself. I buy comfortable things and I layer them or don't layer them as they work. Summer things, little jackets, pants. I've got couple of leather jackets that of course I haven't worn this year to layer with. I've got a whole bunch of, whoops, let's get this one out of the way, long sleeve blouses or tunics that can layer up, nice and colorful and cheer me up in the middle of the winter. And of course over on the other side We have gadgets. Everybody has a gadget, it seems. Okay. We have this one for the scarves and the belts. Just a bunch of holes. Just put some things through. So that keeps these things straight. This is another one that didn't work out so much. It's more of a tie thing. And we've got a tangle here. So you see, my closet's not so amazing as well. I'm a human and it needs to get rotated every once in a while. We just dropped something here. And so other sweaters, silk scarves I don't want to roll up into the drawer. And a couple of vests on here. If I get cold in the middle of the day, I can just come and pop on a little vest. So those are the bare minimums of what I need. My party dresses, what's left of my party dresses, they're in the other room. Same with some of my other specialty items that I've bought maybe on holidays, or long coats that don't need to be in the closet. So some of that specialty stuff is in another area of the house. So you decide what you want to do. I've paired winter and summer, majority of stuff that I wear and layer all in one space. You'll also notice we've got some interesting things here. Why do I have stuff crawling out of the box? I'll tell you why. Because I can't see through this box. This is reminding me that I've got bathing suits. Oops. Reminding me that I've got bathing suits up there and some summer sports wear that I don't want to lose and I don't want to forget where it is. Oh, there we go. If I was going to renovate this closet, I would get clear baskets so I can see through exactly what was there so I don't lose track of anything. Tomorrow we're going into a Q&A and then I'm going to address some of the other things in the closet like shoes and purses and what to do with your hats. I've got questions about boots and all kinds of things that we're going to do. We'll just do a little bit of miscellaneous Q&A and give you a little bit more time with your drawers and your closet to continue working up. So when we start moving into the bathroom and then we move into the common areas. So please don't try and tackle your husband's stuff right now. Wait until you get your stuff done first. Okay? Awesome. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.